What is the Fantastic Five? I'm Dame Lillian Walker, and I'm here to talk to you about what the Fantastic Five is. And those are the 5 cell activation patches that take care of the primary systems of the body. So specifically, they are X39, X49, glutathione, carnosine, and eon. So let me break it down for you and tell you what each one of those do and why it's important for you to wear all 5 of those. So the first one is X39, and X39 repairs, resets, and regenerates your body to a younger, healthier state by activating 33% of your original master smart cells from conception, not from birth, which is a very big distinction. So by turning on 33% of those previously dormant master cells, you now are able to repair, restore, and regenerate anything and everything in the body, head to toe. So that's the first one. The second one is your X49 patch, and that has to do with increasing lean muscle mass and strength, increasing bone density, while providing you with radiation poisoning relief. So that's going to protect you against EMFs, etc., electromagnetic frequencies, and we have these lovely things that are called 5G cell towers and above. Doesn't matter if it's 4G, 5G, even 6G, you're basically being microwaved. And so you're going to get protection from the radiation that you get by being microwaved from those radio frequencies. So you unring the bell of damage with those things. The next 3 patches are the 3 master antioxidants of the body. So the first one of the 3 antioxidants is glutathione. And I want you to play, pretend, and make believe that glutathione is your gladiator. That's your big Viking that is going to give you an immune boost, because it's going to increase your immune system by 300% to as high as 600%, all based on your original blueprint from when you were conceived in your mother's womb. So that's a big boost from where you are right now to increasing within 24 hours of you applying that first patch, the glutathione patch. Let's say it was 9 a.m. this morning, you put your Fantastic 5 on. By the next morning at 9 a.m., you'll have an immune system boost of 300 to 600%. So when it comes to your immune system is responsible for detoxing you. So this patch is also detoxing you, because your immune system doesn't care if it's a germ, virus, bacteria, toxin. Could be an environmental toxin. Doesn't matter where the toxin's coming from. So it's going to detoxify your body from toxins, germs, viruses, and bacteria. So that's the glutathione patch. Glutathione also is very important for anyone who has any kind of either neuropathies, neuralgias. So whether you have numbness in your hands and feet, or you have acute pain or chronic pain and inflammation in your hands and feet. If you have any kind of neurological disorder, doesn't matter what the actual diagnosis is, it's just that you're presenting with neurological symptoms. If you've had a traumatic brain injury, this is going to help you regrow the nerves of the body. Very important patch, glutathione. So that's the first 3. We're going to number 4, carnosine. Carnosine, it rhymes with carne, like carne asada tacos. Helps you remember, carne asada, carne means flesh. It's red meat, right? So carnosine helps with all things related to heart, muscle, and brain processing speed, memory, and focus. This patch is going to help you with those particulars, anything related to your cardiovascular system, as well as your brain function. So again, if you've had any kind of things that are related to microcirculatory system, macrocirculatory system, anything involving your brain, if you have foggy brain, stuck brain, you're presenting with issues with memory, short, medium, long-term memory, all this is going to be helped by the carnosine patch. So that's four that we're talking so far. Now we're going to go on to number 5 of the Fantastic 5. And when you do the Fantastic 5, that is going to help to keep you alive and not just have you survive. You're actually going to thrive, okay? So eon Eon is one of our favorite patches because Eon, we have nicknamed this the happy patch. I don't know about you, but being happy beats the heck out of being sad, mad, depressed, bummed out, being jacked up. No, we want to be happy. And we call this patch the happy patch because this master antioxidant is so powerful. It does some very important things. One of the first things this patch does is it manages inflammation in your body. But this patch also is responsible for taking your brain, which is out of balance. For most people, it's out of balance when you first start on the patches. And as you begin to wear the Fantastic Five, you're wearing this Eon patch. Eon is going to balance your left hemisphere and your right hemisphere of the brain. And so you're going to start to go into homeostasis, which is balance. And one of the ways it does that is by reducing your C-reactive protein and your cortisol levels, because those are the things that are produced if you have anxiety, if you have PTSD, if you're in a fight or flight response because you're in a stressful job or you're in stressful circumstances at home, at work, or both. This is going to help calm you down. So you're going to feel energized, alert, focused, but calm, not jittery, because this has a calming effect. In fact, the research studies show that within 20 minutes of applying this patch, all the subjects in our research studies experienced a calming effect because many of them had issues with anxiety and PTSD. So that's the Fantastic Five. So I bet you're probably wondering, well, what do I need to do next? I'm glad you're asking that question, because what you need to do next is get back to that person that shared this video with you, and they'll be sure to answer any and all questions that you might have. They're connected to a team, large team, filled with medical professionals, many of them with multiple PhDs, holistic care practitioners, skilled brand partners who have access to not just thousands, but hundreds of thousands of years worth of experience and of applied knowledge, not just using these patches, but in the health and wellness arena. So we'll be sure to take really good care of you. All right, does that make sense? Ciao for now.